एक मसरूफ शहर में एक छोटा सा मेंढक फराग रहता था, मगर दूसरे मेंढकों की तरह वो मक्खियां नहीं खाता था, बल्कि भूखों को खाना खिलाता था। ये लोग तो बहुत भूखे लग रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ करना होगा। फराग ने अपने पास जो कुछ था बगैर किसी हचकचाहट के बांट दिया। शुक्रिया फराग अंकल। फराग की नेकी दिलों को छू गई। जल्द ही पूरे शहर से लोग उसकी मदद को आने लगे। चलो फराग के लिए बड़ा रेढ़ा बनाते हैं। एक छोटे से मेंढक ने पूरे शहर के दिल बदल दिए। Unlike other frogs, Frog wasn't interested in catching flies. He had a bigger mission, feeding the hungry. Every day, Frog hopped around the city with a small wooden cart filled with fruits, bread, and clean water. He wasn't rich, but his heart was full of kindness. One stormy evening, Frog saw a group of people, children, elders, and workers, sitting on the roadside, cold and hungry. Without hesitation, Frog opened his cart and began handing out warm buns and bananas. The people smiled, some with tears in their eyes. Frog became famous, not for jumping the highest, but for lifting spirits. With every hop, he carried hope. People began helping Frog, donating food, pushing his cart, even painting his name on walls. Frog's kindness started a movement.